beautiful people like on Bomb Kids TV. So today's video is sponsored by Geniuswigs. I want to give them a huge shout out for sending this unit over because it is by far one of my favorite. I've had curly units before, but I have never had more of the kinky curly with the natural texture edges. These edges are the most natural edges I've ever had in my entire life. I did not cut these edges. I did bleach the knots. They sent over a little note, like a little handwritten note. I thought that was super cute. And then they sent over the storage bag, which I don't know what this material is. I forgot what this is called, but it's like where it can't get wet. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know what it's called. I forgot what this is called. I've had shoes. Is it suede? I don't know, but this is super cute, the storage bag. And then they sent over the hair clip, the edge fronts, an adjustable strap if you want it to be glueless, and then the deluxe wig caps, which I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but the deluxe wig caps are more melting into your skin. They're very thin and they're more seamless with the install. So you cannot see my cap at all because it's a deluxe thin cap. I put this in a pineapple ponytail. I thought it was super cute, super fun. Summer flirty vibes, and this proves to you that you can do an updo with a wig without it being a 360. You pull some hair down in the back, especially if it's a natural texture like this one is, and you call it a day. That's pretty much it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this wig like a 9. A 9. It would have been great if the knots came already bleached, but it's okay. Like for it to look this good, I don't mind it at all. If the knots were bleached, I would have given it a 10. But even without that, it's still a 9 out of 10. So yeah, I would consider this one of my faves. If this wasn't a source of income, I probably would have switched this wig for a long time. I have to switch this wig because I have other videos due, but I wish I could wear this one for a few weeks because it's kind of my mood right now. Like it's so just wild and free, and it's giving spring summer vibes. So thank you again, Geniuswigs, for sending this wig over. I'll work with you guys anytime. Email me anytime because this wig is fire. But I'll have all the information for this wig in the description box below. As far as the cons, I don't have any cons for this wig. I feel like if you're a person of color or if you're mixed at all and your natural hair is kind of like this, then you understand that these, like, it don't get no more natural than this. Like, I didn't cut these. It came already like that. Like, what more do you want out of a wig, bitch? You get the scalp, you get the edges. All you do is put it on your head, okay? I did over pluck it a little bit, but that's why we got the pineapple ponytail. You can't even tell. Wig wear. I went to work and everyone was like, oh my God, why don't you ever wear your natural hair? It's so pretty. Bitch, this is a wig. But you thought it was my real fucking hair. I know. Anyways, if you'd like to see how we achieve this install, then just keep watching.